What's up guys, you are welcome back to this episode of our video today. Here is about Blum, and this is the latest update now. On Blum now, you can connect your wallet. As you can see, the wallet option being added here, and you can also invite as many friends as possible, just like any other airdrop. Alright, so this means that whenever anybody uses your link, it's not gonna say Blum waitlist is paused any longer. Alright, so waitlist is paused is permanently solved. And kindly watch this video carefully, and if you are coming across our channel for the first time, consider subscribing for more videos. Now you can see friends here, you can see wallet here. Alright, so before now, friends, the maximum number is 10, so you can add as many as possible now. Alright, so from there you can go to your wallet here, then click on connect wallet. So once you click on connect wallet, you are going to see several options of wallet to connect to: Tokenkeeper, Hub, the wallet, and BitGet. Alright, so but I prefer my Telegram wallet at the moment. Click on it. So you can see, click on connect wallet down here again. Blum wants to connect to Space. Click on it. Alright, so Blum now connected to Space. So back to Blum. So you can see it here. So once this shows active like this, it means your wallet is successfully connected. And if you want to change your wallet, maybe you connected to Telegram wallet, I want to change to Tokenkeeper, or it's on Tokenkeeper, I want to change to Hub, then simply come and click on this. Alright, click on it. Then you can see the option to disconnect wallet. So once you disconnect wallet, then you can see connect to another wallet. So this is all about the latest update about Blum. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on our notification for more updates. See you in my next video.